guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started here with the video. I'm using this palette that my mom purchased for me for Christmas. I don't even know where she got it from, but I've been challenging myself to use more things that I haven't used a lot or haven't used before. So I wanted to go in with this palette and see what I could come up with as far as a look. So I'm going in with that pink shade that I showed you guys as my transition shade to my lid, and I'm just applying that throughout the lid as a source of a transition shade. What I did notice, the more I kept applying the eyeshadow palette, that I wish it was a little bit more pigmented, because I'm having to go back and repeat the process a lot. But I learned a trick I saw on TikTok where you can use glitter glue and apply it to your lid. And I'm doing this because the next shadow that I'm going to apply onto my lid, it has a slight shimmer to it, and I found that when I do the glitter glue and apply the eyeshadow with the shimmer, it gives it more of a pop and allows it to show more than it would if I did not apply the glitter glue. So I do notice that with me using this new steps, that it does allow my shade to show more frequently than it would if I was just using it without the glue. And so here I'm going in with my NYX white eyeshadow base, and I'm using it as a base to apply before I put the blue in the inner of my lid. And I like to do that so it can make sure that the color pops as well. And here I'm going in with my NYX pore filter, where I'm just filling in the areas that I see my pores show more frequent than other areas, which is normally my T-zone area. And I'm just applying that to my face before I start applying the foundation. Now for this look, I did something a little different. I didn't do the full face in foundation. I went in with my e.l.f. concealer, and I applied that in my T-zone area, and then I contoured in the C-zone, and then I went in with my my foundation stick, and I just filled in the areas that were not filled in. And that's how I did my full face look for this look compared to my normal routine. I didn't realize with this process how time consuming it was, because even though you would think that since you're skipping a few steps, that it would be easier, it actually takes more time, because with concealer you have to make sure that you're blending that out more precisely than if you were doing it on top of foundation that can actually like connect the two from the two contour or concealer area, or the contour and the concealer area. Because with this step, mixing the two concealers, you have to blend a lot because you don't want any harsh lines between the two. And that's what I realized doing this step, that it definitely took a lot of time to make sure that it blended correctly and that all the colors were just seamlessly blended the best I could. So definitely I would advise going back to my previous process for foundation, but I just wanted to try something different just to see what I may like, what worked best for me. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial with me. If you did and made it this far, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.